I've never done short hair.
Alright, let's see what's this way. Our server suggested we try this way to look for more exciting things for you to see. Tempo Antiques, an art store, an alley, a little restaurant down the alleyway. This is called the front door. Wines and whiskeys. Busker Brownies. Lots of bars here. Lots of food choices, that's for sure. Galway Bay Brewery. And here's another interesting looking street. What street could this be? This looks like it's... doesn't say. Ah, this is Mangard Street. All right, let's see what's on Mangard Street. They have bikes from TFI. They look like they might be electric, but I don't think they are. Pigeons having a feast. Clouds are forming, it's getting darker. Lots of restaurants and food places here for sure. Store called The Sheep. That looks like an interesting store, doesn't it? They specialize, I guess, in sheep. Mountain Warehouse, Bank of Ireland. See where it says ATM and lodge? I didn't know what lodge meant. Lodge means apparently deposit. Traditional music. People enjoying the warm weather. Sadly, we don't have time to stay around for Irish music. Maybe we'll pick up some Irish music tonight and Florney. It's a little too raucous here for me. Too many people, I think.
Tell it to reflect. Oh, save me from all the trouble and the pain. You know I'm weak, but I can't face the girl again. And tell her the reasons why I can't make.
Like most of Europe, this is the way they're going now. Turning everything into a pedestrian mall. Body shop closed. Apparently. Treasure chart's closed too, looks like. Beef and lobster. Tom Dashi. How cool is that? Let's walk this way and see what we see.
Who are you?
This is a city that has buses. Peg Don. Lots of musicians.
Next thing he about me instead of origins.
It's nice they have those.
Here's a little market. Let's check out this market, see if there's anything interesting in the market. Little tented shops. Let's see what they're selling. Okay, a little windy and chilly. Tiny Traders Village. This is called Tiny Traders Village.
No, I don't say now.
What we say now is even more like
Tiny Traders. Got my euros. Joy? A lot of tiny traders doing tiny trades. Flip some more. Nice bags. Coffee. Probably go for some of that. This is the traders doing painting. And they're selling books and paper. Coffee is very attractive. We'll get that on the way out. Thank you so much. Wood burning or wood cutting. This is what they have over here. Fox wood turning. That looks interesting. It looks like food.
Yeah, well, we hope to be back. We'll be back maybe next weekend, but definitely we'll be back.
And this is Purple Cloud Natural Lavender Oil. Very interesting farm.
That's 5%.
A day's worth of houses.
And this gentleman is selling t-shirts. And then we have fucking cream.
The big city in general.
Showing a lot of interesting products there. In the US we call this a flea market. Very small vendors. And this is in a park. Is the coffee vendor.
That's okay. That's
It's $3. Nice place to come on a Sunday afternoon and see what's there to be seen. Lots of people here in Galway. Festival of box office. Supermax. And this looks like a taxi stop, I would say. Let's stop the video.